How's it going, everybody? Matt Borey from the American Casino Guide book, and we're back at the Seminole Hard Rock today playing some video poker. We're going to play some 10-play dollar jacks or better. It's got $50 a spin. Hopefully we don't lose our ass. Let's see how it goes. All right, now, are we in jacks or better? We are 9-5 jacks or better. This is one of the best games in South Florida that you can find, so we're going to go ahead and give it a whirl here, starting with $1,000. Let's see how we do. Oh, 30 straights.
Look at that, you're a winner.
Great start to the day. Yeah, I was gonna say cash out, we're out of here. The shortest play.
Now you're a loser, that was bad.
I'll turn it around with 4 aces right here, Dad, I'll show you.
Please do.
No? Please notice, I am winning once again, Dad. You know why? Because
one full house, please?
One.
I got one. Thank
Because I am a winner. I'm a winner, Dad.
you. are.
Oof, that was rough. Maybe I'm not a winner. I take that back.
You're a winner so far.
Oh, there we go. Oh, look at all these 2 pairs. Thank God we're not playing double-double bonus. 2 of them.
Full house.
Nice. That's how you play this game.
I think we're about even on this game. We had one good day where we won 1,000, and then we had a couple of bad sessions where we lost maybe 1,200. So that's not too bad.
So all we got to do is win $200. So you have an inside straight here. You don't keep inside straights if there's no high cards involved, and there's very few ones that you keep with the high cards involved in jacks or better. So we're going with just the jack here. Oh, this is not off to a good start here. Not off to 20. Okay, almost made back half our money. Look at this. I'm the king of 2 pairs today. Can we beat 2 full houses? No, we can't. 1 though. I'll take it.
Every time you get one, that's good.
These multi-hand games are great when you get dealt winning hands.
Oh, that's
And
another full house.
no, look at that. I'm the king over here. So yeah, it's not so fun when you get not dealt a winning hand and strike out. But we haven't gone over 10 yet. 2, 3, 4, nothing.
Nothing. A lot of nothing.
As I said, oh wait, yeah. No, I guess those were just 3 card straights there. I was trying to think. 3, 4,
inside
6.
straight there, which you don't go for.
Yeah, as I said earlier, if there's no high cards involved, you don't keep inside straights in this game. Because those inside straights are very, very hard to get. So Queen 10, and hopefully we get a royal flush, right, Dad?
Yeah, keep dreaming, Matt.
Okay, 3s. I'm so used to playing double-double bonus the other day now that I'm just get excited when I see these low cards and want a 4 of a kind.
Yeah, sometimes when you switch around, you forget what game you're playing. You can make a mistake.
All right, let's see here.
Right,
there we
back
go.
Even.
No way, I'm a winner, Dad. I'm a winner. You see that? Another full house. I'm the king of the full houses over here.
Full houses are great.
You know what's even better than a full house? A royal flush.
Yeah, but I don't see any of those. Oh, I spoke too soon. Here it comes.
Here it comes. You ready? I'm going to show you. I'm going to prove you wrong, Dad. Nope.
But yeah, up there, you missed it by 1. Second down from the middle.
Oh, yeah, right there. Son of a gun.
It is an A.
Wow. Oh, wow. There's our 0 for 10.
Yeah, we were talking about that. Those are painful.
That was $50 down the tube right there. 7s. Here we go.
Well, you started off well, man.
Story of my life.
Get a few flushes.
3 of them. Ready? 3.
Well, two would be. Oh,
What about 4?
Wow.
What about 4, Dad?
Excellent. All you needed was 2 to break even.
Yeah, and four of a
of a
kind.
kind.
There we
Very
go. Yes.
Look at you, back over the top again.
I am the greatest, Dad. I told you that.
No, I wouldn't go that far.
1, 2,
Another
3,
4 flushes? I'll settle
5.
for
We're
2.
going for 5 this time.
Settle for 2.
How about 3?
3 2, that's the money maker. Oh,
How many 4 of a kinds, Dad?
1.
How many 4 of a kinds?
Be happy with 1.
2 of them. 2 of them are coming. As I said, none.
They're hard to get.
Oof. That was not good.
Now let's see all those flushes again.
5.
3.
3.
3's good.
Full house again. I'm the master of the full houses,
You're
Dad.
getting good at getting those full houses.
Queen 10. The penalty card is only a king 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That was king 10, and because of that third diamond that was there, you would not have kept it. That's why I was talking about the penalty card there. Don't keep 3-card flushes in this game. Apparently, unless it's Ultimate X, which we learned the other day.
All new cards. A Razgoo.
Razgoo, all new cards, no 3-card flushes. I prefer the Band-Aid approach. When I have bad cards, I just slap the button and just rip the Band-Aid off and get the bad news over with. That one wasn't bad.
That wasn't too bad. Double inside straight flush. The only thing worse than this is all new cards. Usually you get nothing when you go for this. But once in a while you get lucky,
One
you get a flush like that.
Didn't I get a straight flush the other day? Didn't I do it?
Oh, four of a
Okay,
kind,
4 of
here
a
it
kind.
comes.
Let's see it. Let's see it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Get one, get one, get one.
No, full house. So at least we got some improvement that time. Improvement is always nice.
Inside straight flush. Double. Three in the front.
Yeah.
Good luck. Although we had this the other day and we got it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Didn't I get one the other day? Oh, well, we got one flush. Better than nothing.
You were one away from the straight flush up there. Full house. Let's go.
3 of them. Here we go. 3. Count them. 3. 2. All right. Let's see. What are we doing here? What are we
That
doing?
into 2 full houses? That would be nice.
No, I can't. Still made back 30 bucks. Not bad. 4 of a kind again would be nice. Please? No.
Boy, that was a rather ambitious call, trying to get 4 of a kind from the pair.
I did it earlier, you know.
Miracles do happen.
All right, let's see.
That wasn't bad. You made money.
I did. That was a nice surprise. Let's see here. I think
Ah,
the master of the full house again.
Holding a pair of 9s with the full house. That was very good.
Jack 10 here, right?
Jack 10, yeah.
I hate this hand.
Until you get a royal flush, then you'll love it.
Got half our money back. It wasn't terrible. Ready for the full house again?
Sure.
Oh, okay. Might have gotten a little cocky that time.
Wasn't quite as easy as you thought. Getting a lot of aces.
Now, I know we're about to play double-double bonus later, so I would like to not waste our 4 aces on jacks or better. I'd like to wait.
Sounds fine to me.
Wait till we're playing double bonus with a 10 times multiplier. Then I want to get my 4 aces. If I get down to 1,000, you want to change spots. So here, this is what I was talking about with the penalty card. So if you did not have another deuce, or another diamond, excuse me, you would keep the 10. But since you have another diamond that's interfering with the flush draw, you do not keep the 10, you keep just the king. And I believe the 8 and 9 are also, or well, no, the 9's not, no.
Not in there. Well,
Yeah, so
maybe
it's,
the 9, 10,
yeah, the
Jack,
9,
Queen.
yeah.
Okay,
So you got
not
double
the
penalty cards from the straight also. That wasn't too great, but oh, there
that was
we
good.
go. 250 doll hairs.
Very nice.
There we go. That's how you do this.
I tell you what, why don't you get it up to $1,500?
Okay, and then we'll just call it a day. All right.
Well, but this is only our first play for
Yes.
the day.
Well, that's what I meant. Call it a
Leave
day
little
on
money
this
for the
play.
casino, take later.
5-5. That was a nice pull there. That drawn dealt flush.
Yeah.
250 bucks out of nowhere.
Get 4 sevens there.
Oh, won $5. I'll take it, baby. Ouch. Oh, it came back. Saved by the last line.
See how optimistic I was. I said we'll cash out at 1,500.
Yeah, well. Ooh, there we go. Only lost $5. Kingy. King me. King me.
Nothing.
Nothing. That's the worst part about these multi-line games is when you get dealt nothing. So when you have 3 face cards and they're unsuited and one of them is an ace, you do not keep the ace, you keep just the 2 lower ones.
Wow.
And look how well that does for you.
Wow, that was bad. Flush me. Flush me.
Right down the toilet.
Oh. Well, that was very disappointing. Usually you get 2 or 3 of them.
I know, you're right. I'm slacking. All right, this is my last spin before you take over, Dad.
All right, I'm going to have to get us up to 1,500.
Yes, you're gonna have to get us to 1,500. Maybe not.
I don't know.
Last spin.
I think we should maybe cash out at 1,000.
Okay.
And we'll try another game. Look at
We'll
that.
take our $5 in profit.
$5 winner.
All right.
Nothing wrong with
Do that 1,000 more times and we'll be up $5,000. You know what I mean?
That's the attitude I like. All right, that's it for this game. Speak to you later, everybody.